Chapter 1. Living and non-living things. Students could learn about the characteristics of living and non-living things and how to classify them. Living and non-living things have distinct characteristics that allow us to differentiate between them. Here are some of the key characteristics and how to classify them. Living things are made up of cells, require energy and nutrients to survive, grow and develop, respond to stimuli, reproduce, have the ability to adapt and evolve. Living things are classified into 5 main kingdoms: Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, and Animalia. Each kingdom has different characteristics that define it, and living things within each kingdom are further classified based on their physical and genetic traits. Non-living things are not made up of cells, do not require energy or nutrients to exist, do not grow or develop, do not respond to stimuli, do not reproduce, do not have the ability to adapt or evolve. Non-living things can be further classified into 2 categories: natural and artificial. Natural non-living things are things that occur in nature and are not made by humans, such as rocks, air, and water. Artificial non-living things are made by humans, such as buildings, machines, and technology. Classification is the process of organizing living and non-living things into groups based on their shared characteristics. This allows us to better understand the diversity of life and to study the relationships between different species.